This Decotalk navy peel and stick wallpaper comes in a long continuous roll that provides generous coverage for accent walls, furniture, and small projects without many visible seams. The self-adhesive backing makes installation straightforward even for beginners, and it can be repositioned gently during application to correct alignment. Its matte dark blue finish looks rich and modern, resisting glare while giving surfaces a smooth, uniform appearance that feels more premium than many budget contact papers. The material is fairly thick, waterproof, and resistant to common kitchen and household stains, so it wipes clean easily and holds up well in high-traffic areas. Because it adheres to many smooth surfaces and removes without leaving heavy residue, it works well for renters who want a reversible way to refresh cabinets, shelves, and walls. Overall, this wallpaper offers an easy, low-commitment way to introduce a deep navy color into a space while also protecting underlying surfaces from everyday wear.